Nothing goes. Alright, so this is our hotel at the Pop Century Resort.
Yay, 70s!
We're in the Suite 70 section. This is a standard view room. It's one of the newer renovated rooms. It's beautiful. A mini fridge. This turns into a Murphy bed, so it can sleep up to 4 people. Nice big beautiful TV. Big beautiful bed. And it's
fun making artwork above the headboard.
Fun artwork, and it's lofted so you can fit stuff underneath it. Super nice. Our stuff. Hello, our stuff. There's me. Hello. It's the bathroom. There's a closet in the bathroom and an ironing board. Very nice. Nice beautiful sink. Beautiful lighting. Nice bathroom with a renovated shower. The rain shower head. Very nice. And then a door for privacy. So if people want to, they can have the bathroom all to themselves, which is very nice. I'm going to go outside and show you our view. So this is the standard view room. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very quiet view of the lake. Right over there is the Art of Animation Resort. Also very beautiful. Yeah, so that's our room at Pop Century.